Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Rupard and I'm here with IPSY Studios to bring you a very exciting Halloween makeup tutorial. As you saw from the intro, we're going to be doing a Pennywise inspired look with crystals and diamonds. We're going to be giving it a twist. So if you would like to see that, then go ahead and keep watching. And before we get started, please take a moment to make sure you're subscribed to IPSY's YouTube channel. You can push the red subscribe button down below and also leave a thumbs up while you're down there if you would like to. And without further ado, let's just get straight on into the video.
Alright, so starting with the base, we're going to be using a lighter color foundation. You could use a clown white face paint if you would like to, but I didn't want to go too light for this look, so I decided to just go with the lighter color foundation instead. And to brighten up the face a little bit more, I'm going to be going into a lighter color concealer and placing that in all the normal areas that I usually apply it. And then we're going to blend out the concealer with a beauty sponge and then move on to setting powder. So using a translucent setting powder, I'm going to place that all over my face and neck. And then I'm going to brush it off with a big fluffy brush. Now I'm just warming up my face a little bit with some bronzer and contour. And we're going to be doing a very deep red halo eye. And starting with the lightest red shade in the palette, we're going to be using that as our transition shade, and then move on to a darker burgundy color to give it some more dimension. And then to give it even more dimension and make it very dramatic, we're going to be adding black on the outer and inner corners. And for the lower lash line, I'm just using the same 3 shades from lightest to darkest. And I wanted to make the eyes pop a little bit more, so I decided to add some glitter to the center. Using that same red eyeshadow, I'm just sketching out where I want my lines to be. So I am placing it in the center of my eye, on the top and the bottom, and then also extending out my smile and connecting the 2 ends together. And what is a clown look without an iconic red nose? So here I'm just making the shape I want for my nose, and we're going to be filling that in with crystals. Starting with a darker red crystal, I am placing those on the outside of the circle. And for the center part of the nose, we're going to be using a lighter red colored rhinestone. I also added a few white ones to give it some more dimension. Taking a small blending brush and that same red eyeshadow, I am just blending out those lines that we made earlier to make them a little bit more softer. And taking that same glitter I used on the center of the eyelid, I am placing that on my under eye area, and then I'm going to be dragging it down into the smile lines. Next, I placed some eyelash glue on the smile lines, and then I individually glued the rhinestones one by one from the outer corner of the mouth all the way up to the end of the line on the forehead. And here I'm just brightening up the inner corner of my eye with some highlight, and I am using a red lip liner to fill in with a red lipstick. And for the final products used, we're just going to be adding some blush and highlight. I feel like the blush really brings this look to life. And lastly, I just popped in some spooky contacts, and this is our final look. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this Halloween tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe to IPSY's channel and comment in the comment section what you guys think of this look. Bye guys.